Hey everyone, are you unknowingly sabotaging your fast? Today, I'm breaking down the top 3 breakfast mistakes that could be blocking up to 79% of your weight loss potential in 2025. Ready to learn? Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about mistake #1, first bite hormone havoc. Picture this. You've been fasting for 18 hours and you're ready for that first bite. But what you eat first can send your hormones into chaos. A 2025 study shows that a 15-minute hydration ritual before eating can reduce glucose spikes by 62%. It's all about preparing your body for nutrients. So next time, grab a glass of water before you dive into your meal. Now, mistake #2, amino acid overload. Protein is crucial, but too much at once can overwhelm your system. A Harvard study found that staggering 20 grams of protein over 90 minutes can increase nutrient absorption by 89%. So instead of gobbling down that steak, space out your protein intake to keep your body happy and burning fat efficiently. Finally, mistake #3, fiber timing fiasco. Fiber is fantastic, but timing is everything. Introducing a flood of fiber after a long fast can shock your gut microbiome. According to Dr. Liam Chen, breaking your fast without priming your gut is like throwing a banquet for ghosts. Start with easily digestible foods and gradually introduce fiber throughout the day. Alright, those are the top 3 breakfast mistakes you need to avoid to maximize your weight loss journey. Want to dive deeper? Fast Fix 2025 Break Fast Blueprint. NASA's hydration hacks and Olympic athlete amino acid schedules. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button, like this video if you found it helpful, and share. Let's revolutionize the way we break our fast together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.